that one financial decision you make in 2026 could determine whether you're still working at 65 or enjoying financial freedom years earlier. Millions of Americans are asking the same question right now. Should I keep my money safe in a high-yield savings account, or should I invest it for the future? And here's the problem. Most people think this is an either-or decision. It isn't. Because choosing the wrong strategy for your situation could quietly cost you thousands of dollars over the next decade. Today, we're going to break it all down in the simplest way possible. No Wall Street jargon, no complicated financial terms, just practical information that can help you make smarter money decisions in 2026. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, trying to build an emergency fund, planning for retirement, or simply wondering if you're doing enough financially, this video was made for you. Because money isn't just about numbers. It's about sleeping peacefully at night. It's about spending more time with your family. It's about having choices when life surprises you. Let's start with the safer option, high-yield savings accounts. Imagine your money working while you sleep without exposing it to the ups and downs of the stock market. That's exactly why millions of Americans use high-yield savings accounts. Your money stays liquid, it's easier to access when emergencies happen, and it earns significantly more interest than traditional savings accounts. But here's what many financial influencers don't tell you. Safe doesn't always mean smarter. If inflation continues rising faster than your money grows, you're still losing purchasing power, even if your account balance looks bigger every year. Now let's talk about investing. Investing isn't gambling, it's buying ownership in businesses, innovation, and the future of the economy. Historically, long-term investing has rewarded patience, but investing comes with something many people don't like: uncertainty. Some years your portfolio may go up significantly, other years it may go down. That's why investing money you'll need next month is usually very different from investing money you won't touch for the next 20 years. Let's make this simple. Imagine Sarah is saving for a house she'll buy within the next 18 months. Putting all of her money into investments may not match her short timeline. Now imagine Michael is 30 years old and investing consistently for retirement decades from now. His goals and timeline are completely different. The smartest financial decisions aren't universal, they're personal. Here's the secret wealthy people understand. They don't ask whether high-yield savings accounts are better than investing. They ask what each dollar is supposed to do. Emergency money has one job: to protect you. Investment money has another job: to grow over time. The smartest strategy isn't always choosing one over the other. Sometimes it's knowing when both belong in your financial plan. And before we continue, I want to tell you something important. We're never going to tell you that one strategy makes everyone rich. Personal finance is personal. Our goal isn't to tell you what to do with your money. Our goal is to help you ask better financial questions so you can make better financial decisions. If this channel helps you avoid even one expensive financial mistake, then we've accomplished our mission. 5 years from now, you'll wish you had started learning about money sooner. The question isn't whether you're too late. The question is whether you'll start today. Thousands of Americans are working harder every single year. Our goal is to help you make your money work harder for you. If you believe financial freedom begins with financial education, then you're exactly where you belong. Subscribe to the channel because we're not here to sell you dreams. We're here to help you build better financial habits, one decision at a time. And remember, your future isn't created overnight. It's created one smart financial decision at a time. I'll see you in the next video.